Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel. And you know what? We talk about the minimum requirements, and of course, it's driving a lot of people away from Windows 11. It's driving some people crazy. Why did Microsoft choose those minimum requirements? And it's interesting because in the last few weeks, there's been a number of Microsoft employee posts that have been rather interesting. There was one post where one of the Microsoft employees said, I've been trying to install Windows 7 on a machine and realized that the reason I can't is because the minimum requirements, my system does not actually have those. And he seemed almost surprised of the minimum requirements for Windows 11 on his computer. So, imagine if the employees at Microsoft are surprised that there's a minimum requirement in Windows 11 for some of the machines. How do you think people actually feel about it, and how can they understand those high requirements? In another post, which was very interesting, there was demonstration of different things, including the task manager, and they were showing some of the few options of File Explorer in Windows 11 to a very interesting moment where there was they were showing something in the task manager itself, and people noticed that in the task manager, the CPU that was used was unsupported, which meant that the machine that was actually showing the demonstration of Windows 11 was an unsupported machine. So, okay. So you do demonstrations of Windows 11 on unsupported machines because you don't have a machine on hand that is supported? I mean, so many contradictions here. It's like, yeah, okay. And the surprise of employees at Microsoft and so on. I mean, come on, this is so ridiculous. This is one of the biggest aberration, when I think about it, when you see that employees themselves are a little mystified at the fact that there's a minimum requirement to Windows 11 that's higher than Windows 10. Maybe you should start understanding, and maybe employees and people at Microsoft should start understanding that, you know what, you're actually shooting yourself in the foot, because you, even internally at Microsoft, there's apparently tons of people that don't even realize that minimum requirement actually blocks perfectly good computers from upgrading to Windows 11. I don't know. This is something that is of the most ridiculous I've seen. I mean, Microsoft has moments where we can look at it and say, whoa, that was not the best thing to do, or, what the hell were you thinking? Well, this one is another one. Minimum requirements of Windows 11. When your own employees get stumped by that, imagine the general population. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.